everybody, this is Emma. I'm just gonna talk to you and show you the camera, show you her, and then just talk. Okay, so this is Emma Rose. This is her feeding tube. This right here is an ostomy. She has like a narrow, kind of like intestines thing. So this is what she does. That's what her surgery for this is gonna be soon to repair her, so that's a good thing. And she is snoozing away. And there's her little toes. Little baby feet. Oh. She don't like to be messed with. But I'm doing her hands-on right now, which is pretty much temperature, change of diaper, change her ostomy. And that's about it. I'm about to go and eat some dinner. And I'll be back. She's gonna wake up, I think. She likes her music. That's amazing. So this is Emma's setup. Her bed. All down here is her clothes and blankets. Her machines. Over here's her monitor. Over there's her teddy bears. Her blanket. The outside hospital. So yeah, I'm gonna finish her up. She's getting cranky. I don't want her to wake up, and then that's leave. So, oh goodness, I know. This is Emma. Tell you more about her later. Bye, guys.